Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. At first, begin by opening Adobe Premiere Pro and import the video footage you want to edit. Now from the Effect Control panel, apply an effect you want to animate like opacity or scale. Now find the effect you applied and locate the Stopwatch icon next to the effect property you want to animate. Click on the Stopwatch icon. This sets the initial keyframe at the current value. Move the playhead to a different point in the timeline where you want to change the effect property. Change the value of the effect property to what you desire. Premiere Pro will automatically add a keyframe at this new value. Continue this process to add and adjust keyframes to create the desired effect animation. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.